First Clark Hotel and Residence. And ito, check-in pa lang kami. And very convenient na may convenience store siya right beside yung reception area. And dito sa kabila yung Tom and Tom's Coffee. So, you can have your coffee fix, cravings. Anyway. Here's our room. Two single beds. Ayan. Cute. May decoration siya. And, ayan. May TV. Towel. Kettle. And may cup. Water. May ref na malaki. So, may kitchen area siya. May washing machine. Yan, pwede kayo magluto dito. So, yun nga lang. Meron din siyang microwave. Ito ang view from the window. So, parang park siya. Mata yung swimming pool, sabi. Makikita nyo yun sa background. Kita nyo sa background, puro field.
Ako na.
So, ito ang ating toilet. Shower siya. Walang bathtub. But separate naman ang kanyang toilet bowl. And yeah, kompleto pa rin naman ang kanyang toiletries dito. There. Liquid soap and lotion. Siyempre may shampoo, body wash, and rinse.
Yung wala pang ticket ko yun, ha?
I'm watching.
Ah, dito pila dito po.
Look, may tao na siya.
Hello, good morning. We're here in Clark to watch the hot air balloon. Ayan. So, you have to take note pagka pumunta kayo dito.
Thank you so much.
Pala magdala ng snack sa loob. Kasi, kino-confiscate daw pala yun. So, yun, may mga food naman daw inside. You can just buy if you get hungry. Tubig pwede. Ayun.
With the flag of the Philippines.
Here on the second floor, same floor as yung Korean restaurant. So, dito yung gym niya. Says here to tap yung access room card key para makapasok. Yan. So, the Araya Premium Massage. Nandito rin. Open siya 12 p.m. till 12 a.m. Check natin. So, pagka kumain ka pala dun sa Doruri, which is right beside it, just present mo lang yung receipt mo, makaka-discount ka ng 40%. Check natin. So, ayan. Bali, may mga limited choices siya na full body massage, foot massage, meron din siyang hot stone massage, saka ventosa massage. So, pili na lang kayo kung anong gusto nyo, pa-reserve kayo, para sure na may slot kayo.